if you have people coming to your house with a short notice and you want your house to smell good and welcoming. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila. In this channel we have videos on home decor and home organization. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you how you can make your home smell good organically, naturally. And some of the things you will be using are things you already have sitting around your home. So I am going to be sharing with you how you can use all these products sitting around your home, which are all natural products, to make your home smell good and fresh every time you walk in. If that is something you're interested in watching today, stay tuned. So before we go into today's video, if you are new to this channel, thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this video today, please do not forget to click the like button and also the subscribe button. This will go a long way to help promote my channel. So the first method to make your home smell good and eradicate all odors is to use air purifying plants. So as we all know, most plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through the process called photosynthesis. So plants actually help us to breathe fresh air. So apart from providing us with oxygen, these air purifying plants also keep the air around us fresh. These air purifying plants can help detoxify our homes from toxins, dust, and germs which are normally found on home furnitures. It can also be found on our carpets. So air purifying plants are really important because they clean the air we breathe. So there are a variety of air purifying plants. Just to name a few, we have aloe vera plants, we have the palo palm, we have the peace lilies, we have the bamboo plants, and also the snake plants. But there are a lot of air purifying plants out there. You can research which one works better for you. So to give your home a healthy breath of fresh air, try to introduce plants into your home. This will make your home smell good naturally. So the second method you can make your home smell good naturally is to use a homemade refreshing spray. And I'm going to share with you how you can make your own natural refreshing spray for your home. So to make your own natural refreshing spray, you will need some water. It could be distilled water or tap water, it doesn't matter. You will need a few drops of essential oil, your favorite essential oil, 5 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oil. And you would also need a tablespoon of baking soda. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour some water into your spraying bottle, add about 5 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oil, and also add a tablespoon of baking soda. And then you would shake that really good for it to mix, and there you go, you have your refreshing spray. You can use this to spray on your couch, you can use this to spray on your carpet, you can use this to spray in your home to smell good and refreshing. Tip number 3 on how to make your home smell good is to use vinegar. Vinegar is something I use every single day after cooking. As you all know, I'm African. African food could be really strong in smell sometimes because we have a variety of spicy and really delicious meals. So what I normally do after cooking is to put 2 cups of water in a small pot, 2 cups of vinegar, and just let it simmer. So this vinegar mixture is magic because it absorbs all the smell from my cooking and just makes my home smells fresh and good. So for the vinegar mixture, you would need 2 cups of water, 2 cups of vinegar. Put it in a small pot or whatever you're comfortable using. Just let it simmer on the stove on low heat. This is gonna absorb all the smell that you have around you, and it's gonna help your home smell really fresh and healthy. Another mixture for my 4th point to make your home smell good is the vanilla mixture. So with the vanilla mixture, you want to do 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of the vanilla extract, and also 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So instead of doing 2 drops of cinnamon, I do the sticks. So the sticks are better for me. I love the way they smell. I drop 2 of these sticks into the pot. You just want to let that simmer on low heat. So the smell that comes up from, you know, the vanilla and the cinnamon, it's so refreshing and will make your home smell really good. On how to make your home smell good naturally is to use lemon. I don't know about you, but I really love the smell of lemon. What I do is I start by slicing my lemon into small pieces. Go ahead and put 2 cups of water in the pot and then drop the sliced lemons into that pot. I also go ahead to add my favorite essential oil into that pot. So I do 5 to 6 drops of essential oil. So when this simmers on low heat, an amazing smell occupies your house. Your house smells good and lovely. On how to make your home smell good is to refresh your carpet. You know, sometimes carpets occupy a greater majority of some homes. So the best way you can make your carpet smell good is to use some baking soda. So what you can do is sprinkle baking soda on your carpet and let it just sit there for 10 to 15 minutes. Then come back with your vacuum and vacuum the carpet. This will refresh your carpet and make your home in general smell good. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button. Like I mentioned earlier, this will go a long way to promote my channel. So the 7th tip on how to make your home smell good is to open the windows. Opening the windows is the easiest way to make air circulate into your home. Opening your windows will help circulate the air in your house. This will bring in fresh air in your house and also get rid of the bad and stuffy air that has been circulating in your house. So for me, I know when I open my windows, the fresh air that comes in just gives my space a cool and refreshing sensation, and I just love it. So you should try opening your windows sometimes for the air to circulate in your home. So this brings me to my 8th point on how to make your home smell good naturally, and that is sunlight. It doesn't get more natural than sunlight. So exposing your stuff to sunlight helps to get rid of that musty smell in your home, especially in our bedrooms. You know, when we sleep at night, you know, some of us sweat when we sleep, and all this generates a musty smell due to humidity. So exposing your stuff to sunlight helps to get rid of that musty smell. Another advantage of exposing your stuff to sunlight is that it gets rid of bed bugs. So if you're suffering with bed bugs, you might want to expose your stuff to sunlight for 4 to 5 hours. And trust me, it's gonna get rid of that bed bug. So if you can physically expose your stuff to sunlight, and you're blessed enough to have a home that faces the sun, you can go ahead and open your blinds. Open your blinds and just let the sunlight penetrate into your home. So the heat from the sunlight will definitely get rid of that musty smell in your home and just have your home smell good and refreshing. So my 9th tip for you today is really important because it is really quick to work. So if you have friends and family who just show up in your house or just give you a really short notice before showing up, this tip is really gonna help you, and I call it the vanilla quick fix. So if you have people coming to your house with a short notice and you want your house to smell good and welcoming, so you go ahead and preheat your oven, put 2 to 3 teaspoons of the vanilla extract and just let it sit there for 10 to 15 minutes. This is gonna refresh your space really quick and your home will be smelling really good before your guests come through. So my 10th and final tip on how to make your home smell good naturally is for you to clean your home. The reason why it's the 10th point is because we all clean our homes. We do not intentionally leave our homes dirty. So I know we all clean our homes, so there's nothing more I can speak on that. But sometimes after cleaning the home, we realize that we still have a foul smell coming from somewhere. So that is where I'm here to help. So if you've emptied your trash can and you still have that foul smell, Don't worry, you could go ahead and put some baking soda into your trash can. That will absorb that foul smell and your space will smell refreshing. So sprinkling some baking soda into the trash can will take care of that foul smell that still lingers around even though you've emptied your trash can. Another thing in the kitchen area is our sink. Sometimes you could smell something really foul even after you've cleaned up your dishes, cleaned up your home, and everywhere is clean and tidy, but you still have that foul smell. So the quick fix to that is to sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda into the sink and then pour 2 cups of vinegar over the baking soda and just let it sit for a few minutes. Then you can go ahead and pour in 2 liters of hot water, and this will definitely take away that foul smell. So pouring some baking soda into the sink with adding some vinegar and hot water will definitely take care of that foul smell from your sink. So that is it for today. These are my 10 tips on how you could make your home smell good naturally. If you have any more tips or any more ideas, please go ahead and drop that into the comment area. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.